underway here for heat number 2 in Honda Cadets. An even start from both sides of the grid, but it looks to me like a good start. Lucy Wilden making a good start from the second part of the grid. We've got someone going very slowly in the mid, really having problems with the car, having frustration there, but as they come up the hill, I believe it's still Shamma Gable. No, it's not. It's Rylan Etchberg, who I think has got to the head of the field. It's the 73, not the 63. At the head of the field there. So great start there for Etchberg as they stream into Ashford Corner for the first time. Through Wilkins. Is it just me? Is there a slightest bit of moisture on our camera down there at Ozier's? I was going to pick a time. These drivers are out on track on slicks, just saying. Shorts. He's going ahead of himself. Right. The lead is indeed Rylan Etchberg, Yehan, Callum GHOSH, Sonny, MORTENSEN, around the top 5. Then here we got the hill. Break on here. Into shot. Down the inside. Goes MORTENSEN on GHOSH. Sonny MORTENSEN gets himself into third place. 96 now ahead of 19. Each time, well, that's back through that. Work together for now. I have to say, sprint race mentality strategy is essentially what you can do. Break away on the field.
I'm up on the top rank.
I'm watching the skies at some point. In the lead ahead of KALLYCHURN. Oscar Tutor now past Sonny MORTENSEN up into third place. Callum GHOSH in 6th. See how Tutor, can't let it working on the back of his top 2. He can smell the opportunity of the win in this heat at the fastest lap of the race. 53.8 so far. Last KALLYCHURN was at below 54. So he's going to be right onto the back of these two in the next half lap of each other. Previous lap, but there goes Tutor down the inside. He's already on the scene. He goes straight down the inside of KALLYCHURN. He got the job done, clean as you like, into Ashby Corner. Textbook overtake there from Oscar Tutor, who last time around, by the way, I omitted to mention, set another fastest lap of the race, and now he's surely going to be looking to take the lead off of Rylan Etchberg. When we look across there, I think maybe to see if any supporters was giving him any information from side of the start-finish straight. It's Rylan Etchberg in the lead at the moment, but for how much longer will that be the case? Because Oscar Tutor is on a charge. Etchberg has responded though. He dipped into the 53 seconds, 53.7 last time around, so he's doing his best. As Macie hit her further down the order, sets the fastest lap of the race, 53.3. And Tutor putting real pressure here now on Etchberg for the lead of this race. He's going to try down exactly where he tried a lap ago to take second. gets the job done. Oscar Tewton, the GP plate winner, takes the lead in heat number 2 of Honda Cadets. Can Rylan Etchberg stay with him? Etchberg has upped the pace recently. Coming under pressure now from the 66 of Steve Duncan. Over 50 Sonny Motortensen. Himself in contact with the top 4. And there for the 3rd place into oblivion goes the 66 of Duncan, and he's made it stiff. Nice little move there. Obviously got good run through the final corner. Was able to pull the move into turn 1, which is called oblivion. One of the most aptly corners in the car. Really did have to throw the kart in. Etchberg notably has not dropped off Tewton. So Etchberg keeps himself in the fight. 1 minute left on the clock plus a lap. Reg HEYWOOD, as mentioned, works his way up into 6th, Callum GHOSH in 7th, 8th is Kenzo CRAIGIE. Macie Hitter has been on the pace recently, 9th. CHARMAN around the top 10. Really helpful insights. Laps to go. Can Etchberg execute a move here on Tewton? Right in the slipstream of Tewton in the last lap. Almost been able to pace himself against Tewton. You see this level of pace from Etchberg earlier on in the race. Oscar Tewton's got by him. Maybe had this that's how he's doing that corner as well. Somewhat about much faster time. Faster time to the back. Steve Duncan as well. Together to the back. Really don't, as they come round to start what will be the final lap. Oscar Tewton leads, Rylan Etchberg in 2nd, Stephen Duncan in 3rd. KALLYCHURN there in 4th, should there be anything to pick up from these. Fastest lap of the race last time around for Stephen Duncan. He's right on it at the moment, but they're all going to the inside there. Duncan thinks to go to the outside to get the switch back. He's going to have good drive off the corner. Can he do anything with it? He'll be around the outside of that corner, but he'll be on the inside of the next one, and he's through. He's through into 2nd place, and now he's going to challenge Oscar Tewton, but he's going to go wide into Ashby, and that's going to allow Etchberg to challenge back again. And Etchberg is going to go for the lead on Tewton into Wilkins. He's going to hit the curb, and there's contact, and off goes Tewton. Oh dearie me, that's going to be controversial, and Duncan gets the lead. Stephen Duncan into the lead now with Yehan KALLYCHURN in 2nd, but he's still under pressure from Etchberg, who's managed to keep it going. Etchberg goes up into 2nd place past Yehan KALLYCHURN. KALLYCHURN's going to fight back. Stephen Duncan's going to come around the final corner and take the win in heat number 2 in Honda Cadets. It's going to be Yehan KALLYCHURN in 2nd, Rylan Etchberg in 3rd. Mortensen finishes 4th, Macie Hitter finishes 5th in the end, Reg HEYWOOD, Callum GHOSH, Kenzo CRAIGIE, Ewan, CHARMAN, and Oscar Tewton crosses the line in 10th. In 10th place there. Well, oh goodness me.